Got bananas and eggs? Whip up this breakfast recipe. Let's start with 2 peeled bananas. Just mash them up with a fork like I'm doing. Everyone, if you're looking for a healthy and quick breakfast recipe, stick with me until the end because I'm sure you're going to love this one. Crack 2 eggs and add them to a bowl. Mix well. Add the mashed bananas. Mix again. Now add half a cup of oat bran. By the way, I'd love to know where you're watching from. Let me know so I can thank you for following our recipes. In a pan, add half a tablespoon of butter and wait for it to melt. Add the banana mixture and spread it carefully. I want to send a special shout out to Emily Tremblay from Ontario, Canada. Thank you for following our recipes. Cover the pan and let it cook on low heat for about 10 minutes. Flip it. And let it cook for another 5 minutes. Our pancake is ready. I'm going to drizzle some honey on mine because I love it, but that's totally optional. Instead of honey, you can add peanut butter. It's also delicious. Nutmeg and some walnuts are great options too. What ingredient would you add to this pancake? I'd love to know. Thanks for hanging out with me. I'll see you in our next recipe. Enjoy!